We started off the day with another attempt to go to Koko Curry, a curry chain restaurant. This one was located south of Shibuya Station and was fantastic. The service and the food were just amazing. And they had really good veggie options here too. We then headed to Hiei Shrine located in Akasaka. The shrine was established in 1478 by the Lord Ota Dokan. The shrine was moved to its current location in 1659 and was rebuilt in 1958 after being destroyed in World War II. There are hundreds of torii gates lining the back stairs, and while it's a popular Instagram spot, and there was even a fashion shoot going on while we were there, it's still pretty empty compared to the torii gates of Kyoto. The light was fading, so we headed to Tokyo Tower. Standing at 333 meters high at the center of Tokyo, it's the world's tallest self-supporting steel tower and 13 meters taller than its model, the Eiffel Tower.
Built in 1958, this year will mark its 60th anniversary. We will soon arrive on the main deck, which is 150 meters high. Please enjoy.
In addition to being a popular tourist spot, it also serves as a broadcast antenna. We were lucky enough with the weather to have clear views of Mount Fuji. We took some photos and watched the sunset over Tokyo, then grabbed some ice cream and some crepes. Then we headed to Roppongi, where we came across this pet store that has animals that are too cute to describe. It is a little sad, however, as many of them should be with their mother, as they were too young and shivering and shouldn't really be on display. We then went to a few places for dinner and snacks. And ended off the night with too much Chinese food. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next one.